Okay. Hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to Sumuka Infotech. This is 19th day of our internship. As all of you know, as a part of internship, that is machine learning, we are implementing one project called face recognition based attendance system. This is our project. We are implementing this as part of our internship. Okay. So to implement this project, we have followed some steps. That is, the first step to implement this project is data collection. We have written the code using OpenCV library, how to collect the data. If you have not checked that video, the description of the playlist, the link of the playlist is provided in the description. Please check out it. Okay, how to collect the data, how to how to detect the face, how to crop the region of interest, that is face. Everything is provided, is explained in one video, and the link of that video is provided in the description. Kindly check it out. The first step is data collection. The second step is feature extraction and training. Feature extraction and training, this is also explained. And then after training the model, we have exported our model and we have built one model. And the third step is prediction. Prediction means giving the test data, asking model to predict the person. This is also we are done. In our previous class, we have discussed how to predict the person with the help of the image using our trained model. This is already done. Okay. But in today's class, what we are doing, instead of using static image, we will use live feeds. That is, we will launch our cam and we will detect the face of the person who is standing in front of the camera. Then we will crop the face details and then we will use it for prediction. That is, today's class agenda is to how to make predictions for live images. This is very crucial and important for real-time projects. Okay, fine. Now let us begin today's session. And today's class, it will be a lengthier code. You need to be aware of some things which we have discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so let us write everything from scratch. Fine. Okay, let me create one new file. I will call it prediction for live image.py. Okay, we will do prediction for live image. Let me close the unnecessary files. It would be nice. Okay, so go through the code, follow what I'm discussing and try to implement it. If you find any difficulties, if you have any queries, put it in comment section. I will try to sort it out. Fine. Okay, the first step is import your CV2. This is my CV2. What is the purpose of CV2? Using CV2, we can interact with our webcam. We can create Haar Cascade Classifier related things. We can create an object of LBPH algorithm. Okay, for all this purpose, we need CV2. CV2 is the backbone of this project. It is very much essential. Okay. If you want to interact with webcam, create the object cam, which is of type video capture. Okay, so this creates my camera object and I will pass 0, which means I will use the default cam. Fine. I need one infinite loop to continuously fetch the images. Therefore, I will write while true. Okay. Then to capture the images, flag comma frame is equal to cam.read. What it does, read sends control signals to asks camera to capture the image and returns the captured image and also the status of operation. Fine. If flag, if everything is fine. Okay, so let me display the image. How to display? cv2.im show test image and frame. Okay, and to keep this window active, I will call wait key cv2.wait key. Let us give some delay. Okay, as you know, wait key returns ASCII value of the key being pressed. I will collect it in variable k. if value of k matches with ASCII value of q, if user does press q, I will quit the infinite loop. Okay, and when it exits from the loop, let me release my cam. This we have already discussed. Okay, anyhow I am explaining once again. When I execute this code, it should launch my cam and capture my image. Let me check it out. Let me select command prompt. Okay, so my virtual environment, let me activate it. Fine. Now I will execute Python prediction for live image. Yes, it is working. Okay, it is capturing my image. That's fine. Now what I want is, I want to detect the face. Therefore, you need to make use of Haar Cascade Classifier. We have already written that code. The file name is collect data, I guess. Yeah, here is my file, collect data. Okay, so to implement it, you need Haar Cascade Classifier. This one, let me copy paste it. I will use here. Fine. And this is, see, let me repeat once again. This is our model. With the help of this XML file, we can detect the face of an image. That's why I'm using it. Okay, so Cascade is object. Cascade Classifier is a class to which we have passed our XML file, which is downloaded from GitHub, from official website of CV2. Fine. Now, your color image must be converted to gray. For this purpose, we have this code. And after that, you need to call detect multiscale. It will detect the face present in the live image. Let me copy paste here. Okay, before showing, yeah, okay, so I'm converting this line. I have written to convert my color image to gray image. Okay, then by writing this line, I am detecting the faces present in the image. Okay, what is the response of this detect multiscale? It will return a list having face information like X, Y, W, H. Okay, fine. Now I will write one if here to confirm at least one face is present. How to do that? If length of faces is greater than 0. What does it mean? In front of camera, there is at least one face. So let me give the indentation. Let me make it part of if. Okay, if there is a face. Okay, I want to recognize the first person. That's why X, Y, W, H is equal to faces of 0. The faces is a list having face information of multiple person or maybe a single person, that depends. But my concentration is to detect the person who is in front of the camera, and I would like to fetch only one person information. That's why I'm using the index 0 here, the first person. Okay, now let me draw a rectangle on it for the confirmation. How to draw the rectangle? cv2 dot rectangle frame, and the first point x comma y, the second point is x plus w comma y plus h, and then we need to pass the color information RGB and then thickness. Okay, it will draw the rectangle. Okay, so let me check out this code whether I'm able to detect the face and draw rectangle on the detected face. Yes, it is perfectly working. It is detecting my face and drawing the rectangle. The next thing is you need to crop the face. You need to crop the face, that is the region of interest, and then you should use that cropped face for face recognition. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, now here what I will do, yes, let me crop it. Region of interest RY is equal to, and one more thing is, yeah, we have gray image also, no problem. Let me collect the gray image only. Gray, To crop, we have a formula y colon y plus h, x colon x plus w. So this line helps to crop the region of interest, that is face. And let me change the dimension of region interest to a standard size of 300 pixels into 300. I will do that using by calling the function resize. I will pass ROI and I will mention the size as 300 comma 300. The cropped image size will be of 300 width and 300 height. Okay. Now I need to use this ROI for prediction. Okay. Anyhow, in our previous class we had created object of LBPH. Let me use that code. Instead of writing, I will make use of my previous code. The name of the file is predict. Okay. So here we need these lines: LBPH face recognizer, then reading our model. Okay. I will copy it and let me paste here. Yeah. Yes. So sorry, I pasted in the wrong place. It should be before while loop, not here. I should have pasted here. Okay, done. Now using this recognizer model, I have to make prediction. That is also we have done. Let me show what is the code. Here is the code. If you have not watched my previous video, please go through it. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share the video. If you have any query, please put it in comment section. Yes, fine. So let me explain once again what I have done so far. This is my infinite while loop, reading from the camera. If everything is successful, converting color image to gray image, then I am detecting the face. If there is at least one face, I will select the first face, first person face. Then I will draw a rectangle on the face. I am cropping the face, resizing the face. Now I am predicting that face. Here, instead of test image, pass ROI. This person needs to be predicted. Fine. Now let me display the result of prediction. Printf id is id and confidence is confidence. Okay, so we have already discussed in our previous video what is id and what is confidence. Id means the person details. It will return the value either 0, 1, 2 because we have used 3 persons for training and each person information is part of the folder with name 0, 1, 2. Therefore it returns the result as 0 or 1 or 2. Then confidence, it is a numerical value which represents the confidence with which the algorithm is saying the result of prediction. Okay, if confidence is more, ambiguous. If confidence is less, it is doing great. Okay, fine. So let me execute this code. If everything is fine, it should predict id as 0 because my images are part of folder 0. See here, yeah. Hope you can see the ID is 0 and confidence is varying in between 30, 107, 38. Okay, let me set properly. Okay, make sure, see, while executing your code, you should take care of having a clear image because this algorithm needs features. Okay, when it is able to capture the perfect image, then only it makes good predictions. Okay, now it is giving confidence 40, 45, 46. Okay, but the optimal value is 30. Okay, if the confidence is less than 30, we can accept that result. If it is more than 30, let us discard this result and draw the conclusion unknown person. Okay. However, we can improvise the result. If you want to have a good confidence, you need to have sufficient data set. Okay. all AI project depends on dataset. If you collect enough dataset and train your model, you would get good result. Okay, let me show you how we can improve the quality of prediction. Okay, let me quit. Let me go to collect data, and here once again I will collect my data set. I will make sure it is 0 is selected. Yeah, it is 0. Again I will collect my data set. Python collect data. Okay, I will press yes now. Okay, let me quit the program and let me show you where my new data are present, data sets are present. This is my folder, data set 0. Yeah, see, hope you can see today's data are also here. Yeah, all my data are collected. Fine. Once you collect the data, again you have to train your model. Let me train it. Train. Okay. Okay, it got trained. Let me check now. Python prediction for live image. Now let us see what will be the confidence of the algorithm. Yeah, see how significantly it got improved. Now you can see the confidence is 13, 16, 14. It is doing amazing, great. I included my data set. Again, I trained the model. Now I am getting very good result. Okay, yeah. See, this shows the impact of dataset. Okay, when you are getting less accurate result, the only thing is you add your dataset, clear dataset, again train your model and go for prediction. You would get very good result. Yes, it is doing great. Fine, and let us display the name of the person whom being recognized by my algorithm here only. Okay, for that purpose right now I have 3 persons data here. Let me show you. This is folder 0. Here I have my image, and 1 is the dataset of one of my student. Similarly in 2 also I have dataset of another student. Okay, therefore to display the name of the students or display the name of the person being recognized, I will take one dictionary here. Hope you know what is dictionary. Otherwise check out our previous video, we have discussed about it. Names is equal to, so 0 means my name, KB Raj, Karivasuraj, 1, 0. 1 is the name of my student, that is Anusha. 2, Pallavi. Okay, fine. So I have used index 0, 1, 2 and as a key and name as value. Okay. Here what I will do, I will use some threshold value. The optimal value of confidence is 30. That's why I will use if confidence is less than 30, the detected name is, I will make use of dictionary names of ID. If ID is 0, my name will be displayed. If ID is 1, Anusha. If ID is 2, Pallavi name will be displayed. Okay. Otherwise, detected name is unknown person. If confidence is more than 30, I will call him as unknown person. This is my logic. Okay. So let me display the result also. Detected name is detected name. Okay. So let me execute my code. Check it out. Yes, hope you can see in the console the confidence is less than 17 and the detected name is KB Raj. It is working fine, but what I want is I want to display the name of the person here. Okay, before the rectangle I want to display. Therefore, we have one function called put to text. Like rectangle, we have one more function called put to text, with which you can put to text on the image. Okay, so if you are not aware of the syntax of put to text, you can make use of ChatGPT. See, whenever you forget the syntax of functions, it is difficult to remember everything. Then you can make use of ChatGPT. It is very helpful. Okay, what I want is example of cv2.putToText. I am asking ChatGPT to give example of cv2.putText. It will give some example and I will make use of it. See here, the text is OpenCV putText example. In place of text, we supposed to mention the student name, origin, that is XY, where it should start from, font, some predefined font scale, then color to be used, thickness, line type. Okay, I will copy all these things till here and I will paste in my code. Yeah, whenever you copy paste, make sure to take care of indentation. So I will select everything, I will press tab. Okay, everything is got aligned. Fine. Yeah, here in place of text, instead of this, I will use detected name, DETECTE, detected name. Here origin, instead of 50, 250, let it be 5050 because I have a small window. In remaining things remains the same, no changes. cv2.putText on here. Here the image name should be frame. That's it. Otherwise everything is fine. Let us execute this code. Yes, it is working fine. Kibiraj, my name is being displayed. Okay, whenever it come across unknown person, right now I don't have any unknown person surrounding me. That's why I will use the image which is present in my phone and I will check it out. Let me check it. Wait, some unknown person. Wait. Yeah, I will use my Guruji photo. Let me check it out. See, this person details are not trained. That's why it is showing unknown person. When it come across my name, it says Kibiraj. Perfect, it is working now. Hope you did understand this program. If you still have any doubts, ask me, put it in the comment section. I will check it out. Okay, with this code we are done with data collection, then training our model, feature extraction and training, then prediction for live images. Now the next step is, whenever the person name is detected, we should record this name in a database. Okay, to implement that, we need to have the knowledge of what is a database, what is a server, how to establish communication between my Python program and server, and we shall implement that feature also. Okay, and I would like to go with MySQL, PHP and Apache web server. Okay, we will install WAMP server and we will work on web application also. We will have an API which will communicate between Python program and my database. Okay, I will explain all those things in my next session. You practice this code. If you have any query, please put it in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share the video, and let us learn together. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.